If you've been seeing Koriderm Time Reverse Cream all over your feed promising wrinkle removal, lifted skin, and that flawless glass skin look, you're probably wondering whether it's a Korean skincare breakthrough or just another internet hype product. So I decided to put it to the test and see what's really behind the marketing claims. The cream is promoted as an advanced Korean anti-aging formula powered by silk peptides and cutting-edge skin technology, suggesting it can reverse visible aging, restore lost volume, and smooth deep wrinkles. But when you look closer, there's little verifiable clinical evidence supporting these dramatic promises. The texture feels similar to a standard moisturizer, absorbing quickly and leaving a temporary smooth finish that can make skin appear softer and slightly more hydrated, which may give the impression of improved firmness right after application. But these effects are cosmetic and short-term rather than structural changes in the skin. Another concern many buyers report is the branding and advertising approach. The product is presented as a premium Korean innovation, yet sourcing details remain vague, and the promotional ecosystem often includes stock imagery, AI-generated testimonials, and media logos that cannot be independently verified. It's also important to read the checkout terms carefully, because some customers mention being enrolled in recurring auto-shipment, billing programs that are not obvious during purchase. In practical terms, Koriderm behaves like a basic moisturizing cream that can temporarily improve skin texture and hydration. But expectations should remain realistic since no topical cream can truly reverse aging or restore facial volume. If you're considering trying it, approach the marketing claims with caution, verify the purchase terms, and evaluate whether you're paying for genuine skincare innovation or simply sophisticated advertising.